And Assalamu alaikum class 3. Hope you will be fine and safe at your homes. Before starting our lecture, I want to share a good saying with you. This is about courage and struggle. The sun himself is weak when he first rises and gathers strength and courage as the day gets on. So dear students, don't lose your hope and keep it up your struggle if you want to get success. So dear students, let's start our lecture. Open your junior English book and today's our topic is adjective formation. And the page number is 15. Dear students, in this chapter we will see how can we make adjectives from noun. Before starting our lecture, first we will see what is adjective. Dear students, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. And adjectives may come before or after the noun it describes. So dear students, adjective, a word that describes a noun. Dear students, after watching the definition of adjective, now we will start our lecture. Here are some rules for making adjectives from noun. So, first rule is many adjectives are formed by adding the letters Y to a noun. For example, greet, these are nouns, and for making adjective we will add Y and it will be adjective. For example, here is a word greet, here is a noun greet, and if we will add Y it will be greedy. Rust, after adding Y it will be rusty. Health, and after adding Y it will be healthy. So let's start our exercise. Form adjectives from the nouns in bold types, no change. Dear students, here are nouns in bold type, and what we have to do, we have to make adjectives from these nouns. And how we can make? By adding Y. Let's start. A person with a great thirst is dash. Now we can see here the word noun thirst is here and we have to change it in adjective. So what we will do, we will add and it will be thirsty. A person with a great thirst is thirsty. Now second sentence is a child who is longing to sleep is. Here we have skipped E and we have added Y in the place of E and it will be rosy. Cheeks like a rose are rosy. Now next sentence is an orange full of juice is dash. For making adjective we can see we have added here Y in the place of E. We have skipped E and it will be juicy. A tree which provides shade is dash. It will be shady. By adding Y we have made adjective. Okay, now next is a chimney which pours out smoke is dash. For making adjective we have added here Y and it will be smoky. Now next is hands covered with grease are dash. Yes dear students, now we can see here we have dropped E for making adjective and we have added Y and it will be greasy. Students, let's discuss next rule for making adjectives. When Y is added to some nouns the last letter is double. Dear students, you can see here when second last letter will be vowel, means if there is A, E, I, O, U, then what we have to do, we will double last letter. For example, you can see here U is here, so while making adjective what we have to do, we will double last letter. U is here, vowel is here, so we have double last letter and we have added Y, so it will be furry. Now you can see here MUD, U is here, means vowel is here, so what we have to do, we will double last letter before adding Y, so it will be muddy. You can see here second last letter I is here, vowel is here, so what we have to do, we will double last letter and we will add Y, it will be skinny. Dear students, now let's start our exercise, which is form adjectives from the nouns in bold types, double the last letter. So You can see here in both type words, we can see here second last letter are vowels. You can U is here, U is here means vowel is here, A is here, O is here, A and U. So all second last letters are vowels. So what we have to do, we have to double last letter for making adjectives. First sentence is a road covered with mud is dash. Dear students, you can see here for making adjective we have doubled last letter and we have added by, and now it will be muddy. Now next sentence is a garden which gets much sun is dash. We have written double N here before adding y, and now it will be sunny. Foods which contain a lot of fat are dash. For making adjective we have written here double T before y, and it will be fatty. Now next sentence is a day when there is a lot of fog is dash. Yes, dear student, for making adjective we have written here, we have did double G before adding y, and now it will be foggy. Trousers which are as loose as a bag are dash. It will be baggy. We have did double G before y, and it will be baggy. Now next is a story which causes fun is dash. It will be funny. For making adjective we have doubled last letter before y, and it will be funny.